Here's an inside look into our upcoming Skinic location here on Corona Del Mar in Newport Beach, California. We're currently in the middle phase of construction, and today I'll be going through the space with the architects behind the design to hear a little bit more about the vision and design direction. I'm here now with Angela, the architect behind the design. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Of course. I'm excited to show you the project and talk about how the design came together.
Yeah, so kind of being here today and thinking back when you first started the project, what did you see as the biggest opportunities here at the space?
For this property, the biggest opportunity is being right here on PCH in Corona Del Mar. And in particular, we're on a corner lot on the corner of Hazel and PCH. So we had the opportunity to create an entry feature out of stone that adds a bit of warmth and ties in the commercial character of the corridor with the residential character behind and the serene feeling of the spot.
And when designing specifically for Skinic, what were the top priorities?
The top priorities for Skinic was creating a space that feels calm and elevated from the moment that someone walks in. We wanted it to feel uncluttered, but also have the treatment rooms feel private. And with it being right here in Newport Beach, we wanted it to have a modern aesthetic.
And how did you think about client flow from entry to treatment room?
Let me show you. Let's go inside. When clients come in, they're greeted by the reception area, which is bright and open to PCH. But then as they go to their treatment rooms, we wanted it to feel more private. So we organized them in a loop where no two doors face each other and every room feels calm and secluded.
Wow, that's amazing. How much thought and detail goes into every part of the layout. And you've worked on many projects before. What makes Skinic different?
When designing a treatment space, it's a unique blend of functionality and aesthetics. We really want the clinic to operate efficiently, but we also want the clients to feel calm when they enter the space. And another unique characteristic of this project was that it's the second Skinic facility. So Cassie's vision for what she wanted was very clear, and we were excited to bring that to life for her.
Yes, that balance is everything in a space like this. Corona Del Mar was a very intentional expansion for us. The area really values quality, wellness, and a high-end lifestyle, which aligns closely with what Skinic is built around. Because of that, we chose to build the space from ground up, so every detail from the layout to the overall client experience reflects that standard.